First of all are intersecting line and non-intersecting line. Means first non-intersecting line are also called as parallel lines. The line which do not at particular point cross each other at particular point is called intersecting line. Here we have an example. This is P, Q and R, S are called intersecting lines. Means which cross at a single point, and the lines which do not cross each other at any point are called non-intersecting lines. These lines are called parallel lines. This is PQ and this is RS. We can say these two lines are called parallel lines because they do not cross each other at any point. Today we will learn some properties related to lines and angle. First property, if a ray stands on a line, then the sum of two adjacent angle formed by ray is 180. Means two adjacent angle forms 180 degree. Here take an example, this is MP and ON is one ray. Here this angle is 40 degrees, so another angle would be 140. Why it is 140? We know the property is sum of both the angle is equals to 180 degree. Means by adding this two angle we will get result equals to 180. 40 degree plus 140 degree is equals to 180 degree. Next is vertical opposite theorem. When two lines intersect each other, the vertical opposite angle form will be equal. Means here first of all these two lines intersect each other. Means first line is AC and another line is BD, which intersect at this point O. This is point O. Now by this theorem we can say angle AOB is equals to DOC. Means these two opposite angles are equal. Means here I have a green color, both green color would be having a same angle. In same way this color having a same value of angle, means opposite angles are equal. Now, parallel lines and transversal lines together. The line which pass through two distinct lines and intersect at distinct points, then that line is called transversal line. Means first of all we have to draw two parallel lines. This is M parallel line, this is N parallel lines, and one line is L. This line is called transversal line. Why it is called transversal line? It cuts two parallel line in two distinct points. That's why we can call it as a transversal line. By transversal line on two parallel lines, they forms 8 angle. Here I have noted these 8 numbers as an angle. This is 1 angle, 2 angle, 3 angle, 4 angle, 5 angle, 6, 7 and 8 angles. Their total formation of angles are number of angles are 8. Now exterior angles. Angle 1, 3, 7 and 8 are called exterior angles. Why it is called exterior? It can have a exterior. This is on exterior side, this is on exterior side, and 8 also on exterior and 7 also on exterior. And interior angles which are on interior sides are 3, 4, 5, 6. Means this is 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the 4 angles which are interior angles. First we will know about the corresponding angles. Angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding angles. This angle 1 and angle 5 is called corresponding angles. Angle 2 and angle 6 is corresponding angle. In same way, angle 4 and 8 also called corresponding angles, and angle 3 and angle 7 also forms corresponding angles. We should remember this angles which are corresponding angles and alternative interior angles. Now we will learn about alternative interior angles. Next is alternative interior angles, angle 4 and angle 6. This is alternative interior angles. 4 and angle 6 are called alternative interior angles. In same way 3 and 5. This is 3 angle and this is 5 angle. They also form alternative interior angle. First is angle sum property of a triangle. The sum of all angle is equals to 180. This is the sum angle property of a triangle. We know that, but it's simple, very easy. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. We should remember this point. The sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So the angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. Second property is, if we produce any side of a triangle, then the exterior angle formed is equals to the sum of two interior opposite angle. We can say this red color is equals to blue color plus green color. Means angle BCD is equals to angle CBA or ABC plus BAC and ABC. You have to remember this all points and you have to note down in your notebook. Thank you, students.